Hi, in this video I'll show how to use the application for converting Excel data to IBM SPSS statistics format. You can see on my computer I have a bank data XLS, it's Excel file. I don't have Excel installed on this computer and it's not required to have Excel installed, but I have Excel Mobile, which is free version of Excel. It's showing what is inside of the file, and you can see I have a date, amount, PE category, and I want to import all this information into IBM SPSS statistics. And I will do it, I will install applications that converts me this Excel file into sub file for statistics, and I will open into statistics. To download app, I'll go to my website. This is my website. I will leave link of the site into description. To find app, I will click on search and type SPSS. And I need this page, create a SPSS file, click on Excel to SPSS, and click on download button. I'll be recording more videos on SPSS converters for to and from SPSS sub files. So if you're interested, please consider subscribing to my channel. And you saw in my Excel files there are like empty columns, so I will just skip them, and I will show you like when in application there is a possibility to skip files, columns I don't want to import, and import only the one with the data I want to import. So you can see archive has been downloaded on my computer. I'll click on it, double click on MSI inside archive to start installation, click on more info here. I'm getting this screen from Windows because I'm not a registered publisher with Microsoft. You can see publisher unknown, so just click run anyway to start installation, click on next install, click on yes, and click finish on final screen. And you can see application has been installed on my computer. I have a new shortcut on my desktop. So now I can close this and double click on shortcut to launch app. Now conversion is 3-step process. Let me double click on it. 3 steps process. In step 1, I have to select Excel files I want to import. So I click on this button, find my bank data, file. I think it's bank data. Yeah, it's this one. And click on open. And then I click on next step. Here on this step, I can select columns to import first. And also, if your Excel file contains first row is column names, it's important to have this checked in. Most of Excel files usually on first row is a column names. So I'll keep it checked, and I want date, amount, and I know that status and number and memo is empty, so I will import only this for column. Click on next step, and on final step I click run to create sub files, and it's asking me for name location as the file. So this name location is okay. Just click save, and you can see file has been created. Let's open statistics, and I will click on open data document, navigate to my save file. I think it's in documents. Yep, this one. Click on open, and you can see data imported. Date, amount, PE, and category has been imported into statistics. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments below. If you want to see more video and more application like this, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.